Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super beautiful and gorgeous paper quilling Ganesha for the Ganesha festival. As every year I create different kind of Ganeshas, and this time also I have decided to make this beautiful sitting position Ganesha with different color combination, and this is looking very pretty, isn't it? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. So starting with making the face, for this I am taking 6 strips of peach color in 5 mm and making one tight coil. So tight coil is ready. Now I'm just passing the pencil through this and making one cone in the bottom so that we can give the shape of trunk which is attached to the face. And now I am using my fingers and shaping it slowly and opening the coil. Do it very gently and slowly, otherwise it will get opened. It needs little practice, but you can make it easily. Bending the trunk from bottom little bit and then add glue inside this, spread it nicely with brush. And allow it to dry. So face is ready. Now here I have prepared this tight coil using 6 strips of pink color in 3 mm, just making a dome shape like this. Here I am making the top part of the head. Add glue inside this dome and connect with the face. Like this. Then prepare this tight coil using 5 strips of 1 mm in peach color, just pinching it in 4 corners to create the ear shape. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now taking back the face and joining ears on both the sides. Now here I have prepared 2 more big tight coils which are made using 14 strips of peach color in 5 mm to create the stomach. So here I am taking my quilling mold and shaping both the tight coils as the dome shape. Add glue inside both the shapes and connect with each other to create the stomach. Now wrapping 3 mm peach color strip on the center part of the joint area so that we will have nice finished complete stomach shape. Like this. Then here I have prepared this dome shape, which is made using 7 strips of 5 mm in peach color, and the height of this dome is 2.5 centimeters. This is the chest area of the Ganesha. So I am just pinching it little bit. I have already added glue inside this. Now adding little bit of glue in the bottom part and connecting on top of the stomach like this. So this is dry. Now it's time to connect the face with the upper body. So just add little glue and hold the face like this for few seconds, and this is nicely connected. Now keeping it aside, then starting with making the lower body. For this I have prepared this tight coil using 8 strips of pink color in 5 mm. Just making one small dome shape. Flattening it in the bottom using any bottle cap. Add glue inside this, spread it nicely with brush. And I am sticking this in the below part of the body. Like this. Then starting with making the hands. For this I am taking one strip of 5 mm in peach color, making one cone shape. Like this. So the length of the cone is 2 centimeters. Similarly prepared one more for other hand. Add glue inside this, spread it nicely with brush. Now created this tight coil dome using one strip of peach color in 1 mm, connecting with cone, and already created 1.5 strip of cone which is having 2 centimeter length, and this is made using 5 mm peach strip. So joining both the parts together like this to construct the hand shape. And with the same method I have prepared one more hand. So one in V shape and other one is L shape. Now to create legs, here I am taking 3 strips of pink color in 5 mm and making one cone shape. So the cone is ready. Add glue inside this and spread it with brush. The height of this cone is approx 4 centimeters. Also I have prepared this tight coil dome using 3 strips of 3 mm in pink color. So joining this with the leg, so it will work like a knee, and this is done. With the same method I have prepared one more already. Then taking back the Ganesha, and first I am sticking both the hands like this. After that I am taking back the legs and sticking it with the Ganesha below body. Then prepare this one more cone shape which is having 2 centimeter length, and this is also made using 3 strips of 5mm in pink color. Now after adding glue, I am just chopping it from one corner to make a diagonal cut and sticking it on back side of the leg, so it will work like the folded back portion of the leg. Similarly, I have added on left side. Now creating the dupatta for Ganesha. So taking here 10mm green color strip, adding one golden strip in the center. Similarly prepared one more. Now joining the dupatta on both the shoulders. Like this, nice and finished. From back side I have added one more pink and green strip by connecting both the legs together for the finishing look. Then here I am taking purple color strips. On the center of this I have added golden paper strip, and I am wrapping it around the head to create the pagdi or the turban, or in Marathi it's called as feta. So first adding on right side, chopping the excess strip, and similarly connecting from left side. Now here I have prepared the hands, which is made using 2 strips of peach color in 3mm, adding little glue and connecting with the hands. These are simple tight teardrop dome shape, and similarly added the legs, which are made using 3 strips of peach color in 1mm. Now it's time to connect the back hands. So here I have prepared this cone using 1 strip of peach color in 5mm. Just chopping it little bit diagonally, add little glue and tuck it inside the dupatta. Similarly, I have added other hand already. So back hands are also attached. Now to create the turban decoration, here I am taking 21 by 2 cm pink color paper strip and taking my creasing mat and creasing it after each interval using sharp bone folder. And then folding it in zigzag manner. So this much is sufficient. Now taking one small paper circle, connecting this fan on top of the circle, hold it for a few minutes. And this is dried. Now sticking it on top of the turban to complete the look. Like this. So it's completely done. I have also attached one pink color strip from back side. This is also part of the turban. Here I have already attached one more dupatta from the hands using pink and green combination, just to enhance the royalness little more, and then prepare 2 more palm for back side hands with the similar method. Then it's time to add some jewelry part. So starting with decoration of the turban by adding silver stones, some golden ball chains, adding necklace, earrings, and added some stone chains and ball chains for hand jewelry also. Then making the tika using red color paint. And I have created eyes already on white color paper using black marker, so I am sticking both the eyes. And then decorating the trunk using red color paint like this. After that I am adding ornaments on both the back hands. These are simple bended teardrop shapes decorated with some stones. Adding small teeth, one is half and one is full teeth because Ganesha is also known as Ekdant. Then adding laddu on the front hand, which is made using one strip of yellow color in 2 mm. This is simple dome shape. Then to make base, here I am taking 9 by 6 cm cardboard piece and I am wrapping it using green color paper. Then decorating with beautiful designer paper. Then in the bottom I am adding 4 tight coils of pink color which are made using 1.5 strips in 5 mm as a stopper of the base. And this is completely done. Then decorating this using the beautiful die cut design from backside. And on both the sides I am adding this beautiful border design. And the base is completely ready. It's looking super gorgeous. Now here I have prepared this small Mushak using grey color strips. This is simple to create, and if you want to learn this I have given link in description box, you can check there. This is so cute, isn't it? Now taking back the base, sticking the Ganesha in the center and also the Mushak. And the gorgeous paper quilled Ganesha with bright and lovely colors is completely ready. Now you can create your own eco-friendly paper Ganesha in upcoming festival. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.